Your wig isn't just hair, it's confidence, freedom, and comfort all in one. But just like natural hair, your wig also needs the right kind of care to look and feel the best. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step ways of taking care of your wig so that it stays beautiful, comfortable, and fresh like the first day you wore it. Wigs, especially high quality human hair wigs, like the ones we create at Riora, are an investment. With the right care, they can actually last for years. Without it, they may lose shine, develop tangles, or even start feeling heavy on the scalp. Proper maintenance ensures your wig not only looks natural but also feels comfortable even in Indian summers when the heat and sweat can make wearing a wig more challenging. For starters, you don't wash your wig after every wear, but you do clean it once it starts feeling less fresh. For most people, washing your wig every 7 to 10 days appears perfect. If you're very active or you live in a humid climate city like Mumbai, Chennai, or Kolkata, you might require to wash your wig a little more often. Before washing, gently detangle the wig using a wide tooth comb. Pay special attention to the lace and the scalp area because this is where makeup, oil, and sweat often builds up. Instead of rubbing it, use a gentle dipping motion in cool water and use a mild sulfate-free shampoo. Massage only on the underside of the lace where the buildup forms. Never rub the hair itself because when this happens, it can cause tangles. For the lengths of the wig, dip and lift the wig in water. This allows shampoo to cleanse thoroughly without rough handling. Focus on the conditioner or the hair mask, which you use only on the mid to the ends and not the roots. This avoids loosening of the knots and that holds the hair in place for longer. Use your fingers or a wide tooth comb to distribute the conditioner evenly. After rinsing thoroughly, never twist or wring your wig. Instead, gently press out the excess water with a towel. Place the wig on a collapsible wig stand or let it air dry naturally. Avoid using a blow dryer as heat can damage your hair, especially when it's wet. Stretch the wig cap completely, and air drying is the best way to maintain the wig or the shape of it. Between wears, gently cleanse your scalp with a mild, fragrance free wipe or even micellar water that removes sweat and oil. For people with sensitive or post treatment skin, keeping the scalp moisturized with a lightweight, non greasy lotion is key. This prevents dryness, itching, or odor and makes your next wear a lot more comfortable. Caring for your wig doesn't have to be complicated. With a little bit of attention, washing it gently, letting it air dry, and keeping your scalp healthy, you can make sure your wig stays soft, natural, and ready to go and give you all the confidence that you require every day.